Could 8585.bio really be your golden ticket to free Robux, or is it just another shady trap hiding behind flashy promises? In this video, we uncover the full story behind this mysterious website that's been making waves in the Roblox community, especially among users desperate to score free in-game currency. At first glance, the site looks simple and harmless, but dig a little deeper and the red flags start piling up fast. The domain is brand new, often a sign that it was created solely for short-term schemes or to avoid long-term accountability. There's also no mention of 8585.bio anywhere on roblox.com or in any official Roblox communications, which is a huge deal considering it's claiming to give away their virtual currency. What's even more alarming is how the site operates. It uses shady redirects that bounce you between sketchy third-party survey sites, fake reward offers, and apps that push you to share personal info or complete tasks that never seem to lead to actual rewards. There's no contact information, no terms of service, no privacy policy, basically zero transparency. On top of that, there are no genuine user reviews, testimonials, or proof of anyone ever receiving Robux from this platform. That doesn't necessarily mean it's a full-blown scam, but it certainly doesn't look legit either. Instead, it falls into that dangerous gray zone where you're not losing money directly, but your time, data, and possibly even your device security could be at risk. So is 8585.bio legit or a scam? Based on everything we found, it's not something we trust, and if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stay safe online and always do your research before trusting any site that promises free stuff without proof.